What's good, y'all? It's your girl Samaya. Welcome or welcome back. How y'all doing? So in this video, I will be installing this wig. This is a glueless wig. I got her from Amazon. I will link it in the description down below, so check that out. It's under $100, so you don't have to worry about spending an arm and a leg. And it's 24 inches. But I did end up cutting the lace. In the end, I didn't cut it, but after I went outside and I looked at it and I realized it didn't look the same inside as it do outside, I cut the lace off and it looks so much better. But yeah, I ain't gonna do too much talking because I did all the talking in the video explaining the wig and everything. So if you're interested in this wig and you want to see what she's talking about, then keep watching this video. Okay, y'all, so right now we're gonna go ahead and see what this wig talking about. I am gonna use the wig caps that I got from Amazon. These were $10 and 24 come in here. I know when I opened the box or whatever, did my unboxing, I said 20, but it's 24. So this is the wig that I will be installing today. Let me see, I actually want to bring this down a little bit more. Okay, I think that's somewhat better, but this is the wig that I'm going to be putting on. So yeah, let's just review this wig with me, period. This is not sponsored, so I'm gonna give y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly, all that. So yeah. Let's see, it's from HEARTBEE hair. I've never heard of them before, but it is from Amazon. So it's a 5x5 lace front wig, 24 inches straight. Let's see what she's giving. No, it's body wave actually, but of course I got it to wear it straight. It comes with this wig cap, but I will not be using this wig cap. Maybe we done upgraded. We got the HD wig caps these days. So let me go ahead and take one out the package. Actually, it's been so long since I've had straight hair because I always do curly hair. Always. I'm a curly hair girl. Yeah, I'm a curly hair girl just because I feel like curly hair to me is easier to maintain. I don't know, and it just, I feel like it fits me more. I feel like curly hair just fits me. I don't know, but this is what it comes in though. I honestly feel like they could have better packaging, in my opinion. That's just my opinion though. I don't know, you know, I don't know if they're a new company or what, but, and this is supposed to be a glueless wig. It says on here, it says body wave lace front wig, human hair, wear and go, glueless wig, pre-cut lace, 180 density, blah 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 blah. But y'all get the gist of it. Oh snap, wait a minute, it comes with one of these. I needed one of these. Okay, y'all really just need to upgrade y'all packaging, in my opinion. Y'all just need to upgrade y'all packaging, because when I'm done with my wig, I want to put my wig in a satin bag. I want to put my wig in something that's gonna keep it looking good, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's rip her out the plastic. She been acting brand new. But this is how I look, just like this, without even, you see that? It do look like it's like bleached and everything, like it got that little color to it. Okay, period. Oh, they put aromatherapy tablets in there. I guess so it wouldn't stink, but it doesn't stink. So this is what the inside is looking like. It comes with this. I like how this is on, how it's like, stop trying to focus on my face. I like how it's like this. I feel like this will help stick to my scalp better. And this is how the lace is. It's pre-cut, like in a little zigzag. And then the hair she's giving, she looks full. Oh, and she not shedding. She not shedding. Oh, a little bit. I got one strand of hair, but that's after 3 pulls, so I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna do it without a wig cap, and then I'll put a wig cap on. I'm not gonna spray it or nothing yet, because she said she ready to wear, she ready to go. That's what she said. So let's see if that's what she giving. It don't have the little clamps in the back, which I really like to have the clamps in the back, but this is adjustable, so I guess as long as this is good, I'll be fine. So let's see. Okay, so I shortened it up. Hopefully that ain't too tight, but okay. So she is not ready to wear because the lace is still very much obvious. But I feel like maybe if I were to have the wig cap on and spray it, that might help. I don't know. Where the comb at? I'm gonna go ahead and put my hot comb on the stove because I already know I might need it. But honestly though, the hair is soft. The hair is very, very soft. So I feel like I look so weird with straight hair. So this is how she looking straight out the pack. This is what 24 inches look like on me. Outside of like the obvious, it's not bad, but it's not ready to go, none of that. But I can say like it gives that bleached look, but I'm gonna more than likely have to cut this off. Let's go ahead and spray the tint. This is the lace tint I'm using. I'm gonna stop shouting this stuff out because Tina's gonna have to sponsor me. So I sprayed it. That might help. I'm gonna cut these little tabs off. Let me go ahead and put my wig cap on because I ain't trying to scare nobody. I lost my train of thought. What was I even doing? I was gonna go get something. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, so oh, scissors. That's what the fuck I was doing. 30 years later. So I have everything sprayed. So let's put this back on. I could probably tighten her up some more. Okay, see, now that actually did make it kind of look a little bit better. Okay, that actually made it look a little better. Like you can still kind of not even really. Okay, so we might be doing something here. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, now that look good. That looks so much better. Oh my goodness, I just don't need it to slip. I might still like spray some spray on it or whatever, but after I sprayed it with the lace tint spray, yeah, she don't look bad. And I know I'm dressed like a little boy right now. Listen, I got out the shower and I just threw something on. So I guess, should I cut layers into this? I don't know, because I feel like it's so, you know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean? It's just, I don't know. This is why I'm gonna be doing straight hair, because it just, I feel like straight hair just looks so weird on me. Like it's too in my face, if that makes sense. But yeah, my hot comb is on the stove right now. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna spray this down and then get it ready. I'm finna do what I need to do to it to make it look presentable. Y'all, I'm gonna get a not a real one, but like a plug-in. I had ordered one, but Amazon don't want to deliver it. Amazon, I don't know what y'all got going on. So I always do this back, then everything else gonna go the way that it's supposed to go. Okay y'all, so this is the hair. I flat ironed it. Yeah, I didn't put any makeup on the part, so I know that will make it look way more realistic, y'all. But honestly, overall, I will give this wig an 8 out of 10. I give this wig an 8 out of 10. It's soft, it's lightweight, it's thick, but it don't feel thick. Like I don't feel hot, nothing like that. The hair is so soft, like silky smooth. It does do a little bit of shedding, but that's expected though with a wig. It was shedding while I was straightening it and stuff, but that's expected though, to be honest. Yeah, that's expected. It wasn't shedding like hella crazy or nothing like that, but y'all know like it sheds more over time, so I would keep that in mind. But I honestly like this wig. What's this place called? HEARTBEE? HEARTBEE hair. If y'all do ever come across this video, the only thing I would say is put the hair in like a satin bag so we have something to put the wigs back in. Also, I recommend adding a clip to the back of the hair for girls like me that like to clip the hair in the back, make sure it's secure. Like, yeah, the band is all cute and stuff, but I like my clamp. And this is just the hair that was on the floor. It was more hair than that, but that's just the hair that was on the floor. But yeah, I can honestly say I like this wig. At first I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it because I don't really wear straight hair, but I like it. It's very silky, very smooth. It's giving Pocahontas. I probably could have straightened it better in the back. I can't see back there. I ain't worried about all that. But yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. If y'all like this wig, copy it. I don't have no sale, nothing, because this is unsponsored, but what I can say is this wig is under $100. I believe, I don't know, I have bought 3 different wigs, so I really don't remember how much this wig was, but I know that it was under $100. So if you a baddie on a budget, not even a baddie on a budget, if you just don't feel like spending $200 on some hair but you still want good quality hair, get you some from HEARTBEE. Yeah, HEARTBEE hair, something like that. I think I'm saying it right. Whatever, the link is gonna be down below. If y'all get it, let me know what y'all think about it. If y'all want like a month update, 2-month update, whatever, let me know in the comments and I'll do that. I have to actually wear it consistently to get a good review out of it. I'm gonna be switching out my wigs because I'm gonna do a review on all these wigs that I bought. So yeah, I definitely bought all these wigs with my own money just because, one, I want to be able to say like if it's something I don't like about it, I want to be able to say it, and you know what I'm saying, I want to let y'all know the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now when I start getting sponsorship deals, I'm not gonna lie to y'all just for the check. You know, I hear a lot of story times of how people get some not so good hair and then they say something in the review that the hair company don't like and they gotta take it out and all that stuff. Nah, y'all better get these unsponsored reviews while they unsponsored. But yeah, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend, come check out your girl, because why not? And I'll see you in another video. Bye.